Hello, and we are at the Bradner Road crossing tour here in Millbury, Ohio on the NS Chicago line. Here's your bells, your lights, your gate. Safe Train System Corporation. I'm gonna cross the tracks now. As you can see, down this way towards Northwood, there's a stopped SD40-2 idling, but there's no crew. We'll walk down this way. Here's your signals. Little box right there. You can see, gotta bend all the way down there towards Cherry Street, probably towards downtown Millbury. This crossing is in the countryside. We're gonna walk over to this. It's pretty much like the other one over there. Here's your base. There's your gate. And yeah, that'll pretty much be all for the Bradner Road crossing tour. Well, zoom in on that. There's your control point, and that's all for the Bradner Road crossing tour here in Millbury, Ohio. This is Southern Michigan Rail Fan signing off.